We are making a grilled New England seafood bake. The ingredients I'm using are about a half a stick of butter, a small clove of garlic minced, dill, a pound of skinless cod fillet, a pound of shrimp, 1 lemon sliced, corn on the cob quartered, and red potatoes thinly sliced. First thing I'm doing is making a garlic dill butter. Butter, the garlic. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of dry dill. Mashing it up all together. This gives the fish and shrimp and potatoes a lot of flavor. You can also add salt and pepper if you like cooking with salt and pepper. The aroma coming out of this bowl really smells good. I'm using heavy-duty aluminum foil to make packets for the grill. We start off by putting sliced potatoes. This is the potatoes start layered on the aluminum foil. Now we're going to add the piece of fish to the top. Then we're going to add shrimp, uncooked shrimp. I'm using a little piece of the butter mixture that I made. Then we add a couple slices of lemon. And we add corn to the side. Now I'm going to fold this up and crimp the edges. This is what it looks like when it's all packed in, and I use an extra piece of aluminum foil to wrap it to make sure the crimps are good. I preheated the grill to 350 degrees. Now I put the packets on the grill and I'm going to close it up and cook it for half an hour. These are done. I just removed them from the grill. Now I'm going to open up the packet, see what it looks like. Hot, 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 hot. That looks beautiful. Look at that shrimp coal. And everything looks like it's cooked perfectly.
This looks delicious, Grandpa. You did a great job.
How does it taste, Grandma?
I'll let you know. Delicious. You did a good job, Grandpa. Better than any restaurant.